So today we will do the layout of an analog circuit. So I have drawn a common source amplifier circuit. Okay, so it has an NMOS and a PMOS, and it has input V in, V bias, and the supply pins VDD, VSS, and I have the output pin V out. Okay, so the only thing you have to take care is that so in NMOS transistor, this body tie type should be detached and it should appear as a bottom tap. Okay. And for PMOS, again body tie type should be detached and it should appear as a top tap. Otherwise, you can refer the previous video. So it has similar operations. Okay. So now we have to draw the layout. So click on launch and click on layout Excel. Then create new. Configuration is automatic. And take your library. So my library name is CS amplifier, REC, and the cell name is CS amplifier and layout. Okay, so this is my layout window. Okay, so here the first thing you have to do is you have to click on options, take display, and ensure that minor spacing is 1, major spacing is 5, X snap and Y snap is 0.005. So get as to get a better resolution. So click on OK and then click connectivity, generate all from source. I have to take instances input output pins and PR boundaries, and input output layer is metal 1 drawing, and the separation is 0.12. Okay. So in boundary, so click OK. So this is PMOS and this is NMOS. So as to get a internal structure, type Shift F. Okay, so this is the internal architecture. So here you can see, so this is the PMOS transistor. It has source, drain, and a poly gate. This is the gate. And body appear as a top tap. Whereas in NMOS, we have the source, drain, and gate, and body appears as a bottom tap. Okay, so first, so first we can, first stretch this boundary. So as to stretch the boundary, type S, click on this thing and stretch it. Okay, so I need space on right side also. So stretch it. Okay, so this will be fine. Okay, so now select this transistor and type M, and now you can move this. Okay, so I have to move the pins also. So select the pins, type M. So keep it in the boundary. Okay. Here also there is a pin, and we'll wait. Yes, I will keep it in the boundary. Okay. So now that is fine. So now uh, yes, I will place it somewhere here. Okay. And also this pin. Okay. So now we should align these two transistors together. So to align it, we will type A, take the bottom transistor. Okay. So this is aligned now. Okay. Now type on this bottom one, press M, and we can move it downwards. Okay. Yeah. So we can move a little more. Okay. Yeah. So this will be fine. So now these both two transistors are aligned. Now we can do the connection. So to do the connection, first you have to click on Windows, Assistant, and take Navigator. So we have a navigator here. Click on Nets, and these are the pins. Okay, so we need to complete all these connections. Okay, so before that, take place, pin placement, and click place as in schematic. Okay, so now select VDD and make a horizontal trail. Okay, so you can see here that we have a horizontal layer formed for VDD, and similarly for VSS, create a horizontal trail. Okay, then you can close this. Okay, so we have an horizontal rail for VDD and VSS now. Okay, so now first we can complete VSS. So this is my VSS contact. So we know that as in the circuit diagram, the source of NMOS and the body is connected together and it is given to VSS. So this is my source, this is the body, and this is VSS. So you can see this connection. So it is an indicator. Okay. So now what I have to do is uh, type P. Okay. Type P and select this thing. Select the midpoint of source. Click it and drag it. So you have the metal connection coming up. So it covers the entire body. Okay. And it has to go till the VSS. Okay. So that connection is complete. So here you can see that the in the navigator, this connection is completed for VSS. Okay, others are all showing warnings. Okay, so VSS is completed now. So next we can go for VDD. So click on VDD. Okay, so VDD is from the source of the PMOS transistor to the body of the PMOS transistor to VDD. So this is my midpoint. Again, my selection is in P for path, and select this midpoint, drag it, and go till VDD. Okay, so this connection is also complete. So VDD is also complete. So VDD and VSS is complete. Now we can go for V bias. So V bias is in the PMOS, gate of the PMOS, and we have the pin here. Okay, so you can see the connection. It is coming from the poly. Okay, yeah. So now we need to take the poly. So for that, from the palette, you have to select the poly. Okay, select poly, and it has to go till there. Okay, so for that, it's coming as metal. So what I will do is, I will select, the poly here and type R. Okay, so a rectangle will come now. Okay, so draw a rectangle here. So it will come out as poly. Okay, this is my poly. Okay, so I have taken an extension of poly from here. And now what I will do is select this thing, type P. Okay, and you will get the poly. Okay, so now this indication shows that I have to elongate it till here. Otherwise, design rule violation will happen. So this has to go till here. Okay, so after reaching this point, what you have to do is you have to right click, and there is an option wire up to metal one. So click on that. So wire will appear. So elongate it. Okay, and just do a left click here and extend it. So you will have metal line coming from this. Okay, and yeah, so I will extend my metal till here and type enter. Okay, so I have my metal till here. Now I have to place the pin here. Okay, so for placing the pin here, again select the pin, V bias, uh, type M to move it, and keep it here. Okay. So if you see here, my V bias is also completed. So next is V in. So V in is here. Okay. So V in is coming from the poly of this thing, NMOS transistor. Okay. So again, from the palette, like poly, then type R and draw a rectangle from here. Okay. So this is my rectangle, poly. Then now type P. Okay, and you have a P here. So till here it has to come. Again, right click, wire up to metal one, elongate it. Okay, and just do a click and then extend it, and it has to come till here. Okay, then do an enter. Okay, so now it is done. Now select the pin. So pin is here. Type M to move it, then move it and fix it here. Okay. So if you now take the navigator, VIN is also complete with no errors. Okay. The last one is V out. So my V out is here. So it has connection from the drain of PMOS and drain of NMOS. Okay. So I have to connect the PMOS and NMOS and then connect it to this pin. Okay. So what I will do is again type P, click on this one, elongate it, press enter. Again from here, elongate it here, connect it. Okay, so the connection is done. Now I have my pin here. So again, I will take a connection from here. Yeah, okay. Type enter. Okay. Now escape it and type M and move it. Okay. So now you can see that every connection is over. So this is the layout of the common source amplifier. Okay. So now after that, you can run DRC, LVS, etc. So that I will cover in another video. So thank you.